Hello and welcome! Today we are going to discover the As function on Gmail to send a message with another email address. So to start, you should know that you cannot directly change your email address at Google. Other hand, on Gmail, there is a function allowing to circumvent this unavailability. To do this, by launching our internet browser, we'll go to the Gmail email connection page indicating our address and the corresponding password. If you're on a computer, that's fine. You're on the right interface. Otherwise, on a mobile phone, just go to the hamburger menu on the left. Then, going down to the bottom, we are offered to display it in desktop mode. We then choose I want to use the HTML version of Gmail. Once in this interface, we'll go to the settings at the top. Inside, we select the Accounts tab. Here, we are offered a function that allows us to send emails using the name of another email address. In this case, we press Add another email address and indicate the email address which we must replace this one. It can be an existing address or a new address. To create it, you'll find the link of a previous video in the description under this video. Leave the treat as an alias option ticked. Going to the next step, we are informed that a code must be sent to the new address to validate it. We then confirm its sending. Once the message has been received on this one, you can copy this code and paste it on the validation page or quite simply by clicking on the link below. After confirming our request, it validates the modification in our messaging system. Thus, by refreshing the parameters page, we can see the addition of the new messaging system, which we'll set as Make Default. Finally, we are going to do a little test. Still from the same mailbox, by sending a new email, we can see that the replacement address is indeed used by default. And upon a receipt, in the message details, the sending address displayed is the new one. Thus, having no mention on the former, the corresponding will then be able to answer only on this one.